And thank you so much. You're very special, actually, all of you people here came tonight. You probably know this man, Richard Curran. And anyway, here he is, and the reason he is here is because he was one of the early collectors, I think, of, I thought you only had one painting, but apparently you have two. You must have bought that other one somewhere else, did you?
I nicked it, Noelle.
Richard,
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, as Noelle mentioned there, I did have the pleasure of buying. I can assure you, buying two Rod paintings sometime ago. And when I then leave the bedroom, the first thing that I see on the wall are two Rod Coyne paintings that I have sitting one on top of the other, both of them. To get back to Rod and to the work, I've had a look at the paintings, and obviously I'm a huge fan of his work, and I'm a huge fan of that part of the world and what he has done in representing it and recreating it. One of the things that strikes me most about these paintings, and I'm certainly not an art expert by any means, is that they represent a consistency with the work that Rod was doing back in 2007 and even before that. And yet, there is a new departure within it. It's an artwork that has evolved and has moved into a new territory, and yet it is so recognisable and so consistent with the other work that he's done. And this departure into red, and actually looking at the paintings here, it's kind of not just red, it's reds. And working with them, and Rod talked to me a little bit about that procedure and his own sort of nervousness, I think, about doing something that was different, but that he didn't want to do something that was too different, and it was about changing the look of something. I think he has captured in this show and in this exhibition of work, a body of work, he's captured a whole other new sense of that landscape and of the Skelligs. And it's funny enough, particularly with the red, it's about its presence, it's about its power, it's about the strength of that colour that conveys to me something that really is the underlying strength of that incredible place of natural beauty. So I hope you all enjoy them. Thank you very much for asking to be here. It's my absolute pleasure. And make sure you go and buy some of them as well. Yeah. Thank you very much.
You know, it's interesting what you just said about the red, by the way, and I want to tell you, the artists, Rod, about this. We've had a lot of very, very eminent Italian artists to the project, and from hot countries. And the funny thing about it is, they all see red in our landscape that we don't see. Now, I know maybe, Rod, you might like to say a word.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thanks for coming, everyone. I won't keep you long. This isn't the Oscar speeches, so 30 seconds. No, let's go 90 seconds. No, I just want to say a quick thank you. Thank you very much, Noelle. Thank you for putting on the show, and the good people of the Origin Gallery and the good people of Gilriddick. Thank you, Richard. Worth waiting for. Thanks a million to all of you. The work here tonight. It is, for me, it is different. Now, I know it's only bloody paint on canvas, but actually it's been quite nerve-wracking making some of the pieces, you know, and trying to do something completely counterintuitive to myself. But I was really well reassured, and it was nice to hear Richard talking about the thread, so I changed things one step at a time to see that thread going back through the years. But I was listening to Ryan Tuberty, and he had Rolling Stone, Keith Richards, on the radio there during the week, and what he said was, you have to keep going out on a limb because that's where the best fruit is. So thanks a lot, enjoy the show, have a great night.